Colonel Nathan Hyacinth, the chairperson of the Supplies Committee.
My name is Emmanuel Salfred and I'm from the Barbono Disaster Management Committee.
My name is Anne-Marie Maffre, stationed in Lucia Cadet Corps. However, we handle Supplies Committee.
For yesterday and today, the Supplies Committee is putting together a training program that will encompass all the members of the committee in the district committee level. We are coming together to get them involved in warehouse training management. So warehouse management is something that we look at as extremely important, where we need to be accountable for the equipment that has been loaned, whether it is loaned, donated, or purchased by the government of St. Lucia. So this training is all about accountability, going through the documentation, the spreadsheets, to know how we can allocate supplies to the various satellite warehouses.
I think it's important the training here so that you can understand the inventory that you have in your warehouse. So in the event of disaster or a hurricane or something, you can actually know what's in your warehouse and how you could supply your community or the persons who are needy during that time.
It's not only with NEMO, however, with our logistics on our end. I also learn on the capacity of a cadet as well with quartermastering. So I'm learning on 2 skills.
We are anticipating some great improvement because presently the system is that the goods are at the warehouse in Bize and they are distributed to the various satellite warehouses. Now, not all of the satellite warehouses have been functioning properly. And it is our hope and our intention to have them function at capacity. So if they are given the tools, the equipment, the supplies, they need now to manage those supplies. So this system will allow us to see what they have within the warehouses, and they also in turn can see what is available in the different warehouses.
For instance, Castries Southeast is lacking, let's say, cots. We communicate with the other committees, let's say canneries. If canneries have sufficient amount of cots, we could go ahead and get from our sister committees to update our stock and not necessarily have to come to HQ NEMO for any stocks at their warehouse.
We're using the Google Suite platform. We are hoping that that technology would suffice in the interim because we're looking to improve on this. But for now, the system we're using allows everyone to see and update the system as it goes along. So every time an item is received, the main warehouse is aware, the satellite warehouse also is aware of these items are available and that they can make the request for the items once the need arises.